Hello, so this is my 5th grade science website and it has my IM in it. So they can click on that and it'll lead them to the module. And the theme for this class for me was ecosystems, so their online lesson is about ecosystems. And all the links are included on this website. So first thing is to read through a PowerPoint or watch the screencast video on this Google Drive. And this would be shared with all of them so they all have access to it. So you'd go through that, and then the first part is about land biomes, so they can go through this Prezi, and in the Prezi it just does a brief overview of all of the land biomes, and then in the introduction it also has a short little video for them to watch. And then in the second part, it focuses on marine biomes. So there's a short little YouTube video that they can watch. And then after that, they have a group project, and they would each be assigned into groups and then assigned a biome. And they'll make a Google Slides presentation with their group about their biome and be as creative as they can and give some facts about it. And everything used to make these modules was used. This website was used so they can reference that if they need more information. And then when they're done, they'll add it to this Google Drive for everyone to see. And then next they'll review this Quizlet, which has all the key terms. And they can play these games over here, so they can prepare for their Google Form quiz that will assess how well they know what they learned about.